Hi guys, today we're unboxing Boogle. So we're gonna open it now. Oh, he blew up. So we're gonna put it in here. It looks like a word search. But my brother have this. My brother, the big bro has that, and I know how to play it because he teach me. Because he have that. And I get into my yellow basket. I buy it there.